weight of middle element is half. Atomic weight of middle element is half of sum of first and third element. Atomic weight of middle is half of first and third elements. It is law of tides given by John Dobrynin. But this proved only in three elements. These three elements, then it is 40 plus 137. It is 40, 137 plus 40, then it is 177. Divide by 2, it will not 88, but it is nearby 88. 88. It is 176 and it is 177. So it is 88.5 is the middle value of this two sum or two value, addition of two value. But there is difference of 0.5. It was accepted. Here the same, you just sum first and third element, divide by 2 and get the middle value, that will not 80. But it is very nearby middle value. But it was not accepted. Law of triads were not accepted because it was not possible for every elements. Every time it is not possible. So John Dobrynin's law was not accepted, law of triads. Then we are having the another scientist, name of scientist, he is the geologist of French, name of the scientist is A.B. the Can Cortés. Pronunciation is not Chan Cortés, it is Can Cortés. He arranged the elements according to its atomic mass in cylindric way. In cylindric way. But till calcium, atomic mass was increased in cylindric way. After that, atomic mass was not increased. So his law was not also accepted. Then after, Lothar Meyer is the most important scientist. He plotted physical property of elements such as atomic volume, melting point and boiling point against atomic weight. Physical property, that volume, melting point and boiling point against its atomic weight, Lothar Meyer was very close and very most important scientist for the development of periodic table. We will discuss who is the father of periodic table in next lecture. Today we have to remember the name of scientist, which tried he had done. We will discuss. Now, Newland, law of octaves. Newland, law of octaves. Another scientist who gave law of octaves. We have music word sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Sa will first alphabet and again sa will the eighth alphabet. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. First word is sa and eighth word is also sa. This arrangement of Gujarati alphabet is matched with law of octaves. Newland explained that the first element having the physical property equal to physical property related to eighth element means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the eighth element, means physical property of lithium and physical property of sodium will be the same. I have written over here lithium, sodium, potassium. These are in the group, and group, the element having the same physical property means lithium is the first element and sodium is the eighth element. Physical property of lithium is equivalent to physical property of sodium. Both are metal. So Newland gave law of octaves. He explained that the element first having the same physical property to the element eighth, increasing order of its atomic mass. These are the atomic mass in increasing order: 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 16, 19, then 23. Physical property of sodium and physical property of lithium is the same. So first element is having the equal physical property to the eighth element. Don't think about the noble gases. Noble gases are inactive element and it is separated in periodic table. You will surprise, here is the fluorine, then you will discuss them. Fluorine, then the element will come neon, then will sodium will come, but neon is inactive gas. It is not compared with the eighth element of this. Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth element will be the neon, but neon is not considered as a metal. It is inactive gas, it is noble gas, so it is not considered according to Newland's law of octaves. So these are the explanation given in your textbook. Try to watch my video lecture 2-3 times, match with textbook, and send me homework 2 times without fail. Today I must have my homework by evening 7 p.m. I will put this lecture at sharp 3 p.m. not 2 p.m. It is not possible because uploading time is so much required. So I will put this my lecture between 2 to 3 p.m. and you must give me homework by 7 p.m. Otherwise I will call to your parents. So today we have discussed very most important chapter. Name of chapter is classification of elements and periodicity of properties of element, and I have discussed so many name of scientists, its statement. We have started from Glenn T. Seaborg, then after we have discussed John Dobrener, law of tides, then we have discussed French geologist A.B. de Cancourt's cylindric table, E.S. Clifford, then we have discussed Lothar Meyer, and then finally we have discussed Newland's law, that is law of octaves. 8 elements are arranged. Physical property of first element is equal to physical property of 8th elements, that is according to Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. Sa is the first word and again Sa is the 8th word. Both are the same. So physical property of first element and 8th element will be the same. That is the law of octaves given by Newland. So thank you very much. Watch my video 2-3 times. Send me homework without fail. And all the best for the next lecture. Thank you.